Inanguna.
Bunyangona nagutomena matantu. Lihoni minstani zola.
Lala.
Mara.
Soy Nakaria, Turanigoro, Talatala, and my family. I have to say, I can't say ladies and gentlemen. Now all para papadaya, chuka papa, sabaya beta. Thank you very much. Seru, somebody said Seru. The only name I remembered when I crossed Yako every time was Seru, because I went to school with Seru. So I don't know where Seru is, but if you do see him, please tell him I still remember him. I don't know how he looks now, but I'm sure he's still the same handsome boy he was in primary school. And I used to be teased. My brother here used to tease me that Seru was my boyfriend, but he was not. Okay? So now I know he was another brother from another mother. So my mother is here, and my elder brother is here, my cousin is here, my sister-in-law is the family is here, and thank you for saying that I belong to you. This is my koro, and you are all family. The whole purpose of this visit was to say sorry to you that I've been late in coming, but people say better late than never. So I'm here now, and thank you for welcoming me. You can be rest assured that like the service I provide to the nation, the same service I'll provide to you. Now that we are all family, I think I'll have to come and visit you more often. And like I said, the ministry that I look after is Ministry of Health. I used to look after Ministry of Women, and we have the Ministry of Women staff here as well. When I was with Ministry of Women, we used to promote women empowerment. We used to promote zero tolerance to domestic violence. We used to promote child welfare as well. So that ministry, I was looking at children, I was looking at women, I was looking at the senior citizens. This ministry, I have to look after everybody because it concerns health. I'd like to say I would like to thank our Prime Minister for believing in me that I can look after the health and welfare of our people. And my team is here, and it's not the first and the last time that the team will be here. Please do make use of the team that is here from the Ministry of Health. I also have members from Sports Fiji Limited. This month, Sports World and Ministry launched a fitness month. One of the reasons is the rise in NCDs in the country. Just when I was visiting a few homes, I've been told that there are 5 amputations already in the village where limbs are cut off, and that is a very serious thing. Okay, so the message that I would like to leave on behalf of the ministry and the government is, if we do not look after our health, there are a lot of costs to it. Not only does the person lose his or her limb, he or she loses the ability to go out and work. There is financial burden on the family, there is financial burden on the health sector. And as a government, we are promoting people to take responsibility for the health. I can make health centers, I can make hospitals, I can employ hundreds and hundreds of doctors and nurses, but if each one of us is not serious about our health, then that would not go the way we want it to go. To the ladies out here, you play a very important role. Whatever is cooked in your kitchen, I'm sure men also cook, but as women, as mothers, whatever we cook in the kitchen very much reflects the type of health that our family has. Because you live in a village environment, I think you are blessed. We who live in the cities and towns, we lack space to grow our own fruits and vegetables. In a rural setting, you have the land, you have the manpower. Engage yourself, engage the young people, engage the school children as well, to ensure that you grow healthy vegetables, grow healthy food, and that is something that you can consume as well as sell it out. Not only will it get you some cash for yourself, but it will keep you healthy. So eating, exercising, something that I want to talk about, exercising, because it's a health and fitness month. Sometimes we think that whatever we do during the day, we cook, we wash, we sweep, we cut the grass, we mow the lawn, and that's exercise. Actually, that's not exercise. That's a normal walk that all of us do. So take time out, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, engage yourself in some physical activities. Young people of the village, sporting activities. You know, women, I know there's a lot of things you can do around. Engage yourself in sports activity or take a walk across the village. So exercising is also important. And exercise comes in various forms. And today we have the coach people here who will be presenting to you an exercise bike. You can keep it in a village hall, and especially for the women, get on the bike, 15 minutes to 20 minutes, you'll be fit. When you are fit, encourage your men to do the same. And then slowly you will see the changes will happen in the family. So eat well, eat the right type of food, exercise, and I'm sure we will be able to make some difference, and each one can make a difference. The second thing I'd like to talk about is on education. I believe you have close to 40 to 45 children who are in school, maybe more. Some are going to primary school, some are going to town to secondary schools. Please invest in your child's education. As a government, we are doing so much so that your children go to school. Yet sometimes we find that parents are not very supportive in this initiative. So if you have children who are at the age of going to school, please send them to school. Okay? Bus fare subsidies are given, school grants are given. I mean, there used to be a time when there would be a lot of fundraising, a lot of burden would be placed on the families. So all you have to do is to wake your child up, put them in a uniform, give them their lunch parcel, and see that they go off to school. And it makes a difference. I mean, if you know our story, I come from Malamala. Okay? I walked barefoot to school. I crossed rivers in the morning, came first just to go to school, and used to be waked by the head teacher for going to school late because we had to do a lot of work at the house. Parents have changed now. We used to water the garden, graze the cows. He knows, we used to wake up at 5 o'clock. My mother is still sitting there, grab the blanket off, and she'll say, okay, go graze the cows. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. We would do that. That was hard work. Unfortunately, our children, we give them so much, and they don't value life. So teach them that. We walk barefoot to school. Okay, we could hardly afford shoes. Most of us have come through the hard way. And our children these days, we give them everything. So make sure you instill in them the discipline so that they listen to you. I mean, had I not been educated, had I not gone through the rough patches in life, I'm sure I wouldn't be here. Okay? So the credit goes to the family who pushes you to do it. And act as role models, be guide to your children. Children these days are very different. Those days, if they showed you the eye, you knew it, okay? But now they look back at you. So it's how you bring your children up. And so please don't be too hard on them, but teach them the basic moralities of life, discipline, respect, trust, honesty, hard work, and you will see that we will have a generation of young people who will take this country forward. Apart from that is domestic violence issues. The Ministry of Women Staff are here. We preach that we do not resort to domestic violence. If we have violence within our homes, our children learn that. So we don't want our children to learn that bullying and beating and punching is good. So be good role models. And finally, as I said, we are here. Should you have any questions, should you have any suggestions how we can work together in partnership to uplift your lives, do something good for each other. The team is here, I am here, and again, this is not the first or the last time. So now I know if I drive by, I can drop in for some tea or something. Kini, there, where's Kini? So you are family, and I'm here. Whenever you need something, I'm just a call away. You can be rest assured of that. And well, I know there's some lunch out there, so we will want to have lunch. But before we go for lunch, any questions you have, any concerns you have, any queries you have about our work, the work of the government, and how best we can help your village grow, most appreciated. And finally, thank you very much for having me and my family and the team here. And God bless you. Thank you.
Go julum.